Floor Plus, the optimal protection for every building. When a floor has been newly laid, the rooms then look as beautiful as a dream, and every customer wishes that they could please stay that way. In business premises and in much frequented living areas, every floor is subject to heavy wear and tear. Without proper protection, dirt, scratches and stains will unfortunately soon make the new floor look old. But your flooring professional knows how to prevent that. Resilient floors are often given a factory-applied protective finish, but every building is different, which is why Dr. Schutz has developed a range of on-top coatings which match the needs of your building precisely. In medical areas, it is essential to have the highest resistance to disinfectants. For hairdressers, it is resistance to hair dyes. In car showrooms, resistance to plasticizers is required to prevent marks from car tires. Without a special protective finish, permanent stains are unavoidable. PU Anticolor is resistant to all these chemicals and also protects the floor against stains and discoloration. In buildings in which many people walk in and out, such as schools or offices, a lot of dirt is brought inside underfoot, which leads to scratches and damage. PU Sealer, a special lacquer with the highest resistance to abrasion and scratches, protects the floor and ensures that dirt can be removed efficiently. In floors which have not been sealed by a flooring professional, dirt collects in the joints. With its PU Sealers, Dr. Schutz provides a hermetic sealing of the surface. The joints are bridged over. Dirt and bacteria can no longer accumulate in the joints. Properly protected, the LVT design floor is also an excellent choice for the hygienically sensitive areas of health and care. Dr. Schutz PU Sealer products are available in different gloss grades, from ultramatte to glossy. Choose the gloss grade which you like best for your floor. All PU lacquers are slip resistant. The anti-slip standard can be set at safety norms R9, R10 and even at R11. All Dr. Schutz PU sealers meet and exceed the HSE standards of low risk in both wet and dry. Dr. Schutz always has the appropriate solution for your newly laid floor, no matter what kind of business and whatever requirements you have. Sustainable, lovely appearance, easy cleaning, best hygiene, and long-term cost savings with Floor Plus from Dr. Schutz. Dr. Schutz, we care about floors.